There are days we celebrate and days we remember. Today, we remember. Men and women who gave more than we could ever repay, more than words could ever fully express. They stepped forward when others stepped back. They stood in the gap so others could live in freedom. Freedom to gather, freedom to worship, freedom to live without fear. Lives laid down not for recognition, but for something greater than themselves. A quiet courage, a steady resolve, a sacrifice that echoes far beyond a single moment. So today, we pause, we remember, we honor. Not just with words, but with lives that carry forward the freedom they fought to protect.